So you've heard your friends and colleagues talk about it. What is an IAM Skills Day on a motorcycle? This is not a track day, I must make that really clear. It's not there for the pursuit of outright speed. What this is all about is developing your skills as a rider on your motorcycle, getting the best out of you and getting the best out of the bike. You'll work in a very small group, together with an instructor, out on track, and also having some theory sessions.
If you're looking around the corner, regardless of the speed and you think you're not going to make it, have faith in the bike, because it'll follow your head and your body, and you will make it round.
So a little bit of teaching, then some riding, then some reflection and feedback. And you'll work in that small group all day as you slowly develop your skill sets. On these days, what we ride is what we ride on the road. You must arrive on a fully road legal motorcycle with registration plates, with mirrors, just as you'd ride here, and you'll then ride it home at the end of the day. You need to do nothing special. It's your road bike that counts. So hopefully this video has given you an idea of what goes on IAM RoadSmart Skills Day, and it's all about you and your development. What are the next steps? Very simple, just get involved. Check out any further information on the IAM RoadSmart website at iamroadsmart.com, pick up the telephone to support, book your place, I guarantee you'll enjoy it.